Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing this wig, and from y'all seen like the beginning, like my little intro, you know it didn't look like this, right? So in the beginning there was this wig, but we transformed her and that was good. Shout outs to Unice Hair for sending me this hair. I'm bleaching the knots, as you guys will see. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, hey babe, welcome back to my channel. So just like keep on watching. It's just kind of like, you know, did a little thing, but yeah, keep on watching. Guys, so the hair is done. I low-key over bleached the knots. I kind of left it on for too long because the knots in the middle were not like turning brown, so I had to leave it on for long, and I kind of pressed the bleach and the mixture into the hair, so the knots bleached in the front, but also it went up on the hair, but that's okay. I called my cousin real quick and she told me I should just add mascara to the parts that that's bleached, the actual hair. Just add mascara and add my concealer and I'll be fine, so I'm not even worried about it. This is what the hair is looking like compared to what it was at the beginning. I think it looks way better. Like, I really could not put it on with the knots looking like that, and I don't usually bleach hair, so hence why I kind of did it like that. But this is the hair. Let me just try it on. I think this wig fits exactly how it needs to fit. I'm going to just use some Got2b free spray. That's all, nothing crazy. I'm not gluing this down. There is a deep wave, but because I washed it, I think I kind of messed with the waves. But this is the hair. I think it looks way better than when I took it out of packaging. It fits my hairline for the most part, so I feel like it'll, you know, it'll lay real nice. It fits my hair exactly, so that's pretty good. It won't like drift back, because guys, I did not know that when the wig is like way too small and you lay it, once you have to like lay your lace and tug at it like this, that's like an automatic sign that once you lay it down, the hair will shift back. That used to always happen to me, and I never realized it was because the wig was too small. This is how long it is. Like, it's pretty long. It's 26 inches. Yo, this is what it's looking like. I think I'm gonna do just a little bit of edges, not like too much, because I feel like it has a nice little natural look to the hairline. So I don't even know if I want to do edges. Oh my god. I'm gonna spray right here though, so it's not as white, and I'm gonna see about the edges, girl. I think my hair is in the center. If you've been watching my channel, or if you've watched like any of my tutorials at all, you know my center is always hard to find, but I think we look center. Girl, I think that's the center. I'm gonna add some makeup to this part, as well as like some mascara, and we're just gonna fill it in nicely. Then I'm just gonna have a nice center part. Hopefully it's in the center. I'm still deciding on my edges if I want edges. I don't even know if I want edges, to be honest. Guys, so I'm back. I did my makeup. I think my hair is looking real cute. Well, guys, so this is what I did to the hair. I think the front looks really cute. I was gonna do more edges, but I really didn't want edges with this look. I honestly wanted to just have everything to the back, but because it's like a center part, I'm just like, okay, I can do like just like 2 swirlies. The hair is deep wave, but because I washed it, the wave is not like in it. So what I'm going to do is use some mousse, put it over top, and then just like scrunch it. Let me see. Okay, so this is better. I'm higher, you can see the hair more, but I'm going to add some mousse and I'm going to scrunch it because this hair is supposed to be a deep wave texture, but because I washed it, I don't know, a lot of the waves came out, and this is where it reaches me. It's 26 inches. It could do with like a little trimming in the back. So I'm going to like go in with some mousse. I hope that the mousse, you know, gives it the wavy texture. I'm gonna add some mousse and go like this, like scrunch it up, and pray that I get like that wavy look back, because it's kind of like it's going to be too late if I fill like my hair with mousse to curl it. So yeah, but I'm gonna go in with this Lotta Buddy, I think that's what it's called, this Lotta Buddy mousse. It says Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. I bought this the other day. Still don't know how I feel about it. I'm just using it because it's what I have. So I'm gonna go in and scrunch the hair, and yeah, guys, the hair itself it was pretty soft when I got it. My only like con, well, I have 2 cons with this hair. The knots were so big at the top, like it was bugging, so I had to bleach it. I didn't like that. The first line in the front wasn't bad, but like the top section where you have to part the hair and stuff, the knots were ridiculously big, and they were like really black. Like it was just like right there. I don't think I could have used like makeup without bleaching it to do my part. Also, guys, after bleaching the hair, even though I know that I kind of over bleached the front, it shed a lot on me. I don't know if it's because of the if that's due to the over bleaching, because I don't really know how to bleach hair like that, bleach knots or whatever. I don't usually do that, so it shed a lot like on me after that. But like now it's not shedding anymore. I feel like after all that hair came out, it has stopped shedding, but I did experience a good amount of shedding. I just wanted to put that out there. The hair is 26 inches. I feel like I could cut some of the hair, like the ends, because the ends is a little, like, I feel like I could like clip some away, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go in with a mousse and we're gonna see what it do. Hopefully the mousse gives me the waves, but honestly, I love how I laid the front. The front looks so laid, girl. Like, let me know in the comments, because I think the front looks so laid. And guys, it says 26 inches, a deep wave it's called. So I hope I said that right. If you're interested, guys, it's definitely gonna be in the description box below, so check that out. I'm gonna add my mousse and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final look. So this is the finished look. I love how the mousse made the waves come back. The thing is, it's a little damp right now. I really am not about to sit and wait for it to dry. Yeah, I have somewhere to go right now, so I'm just literally going with it like this. I love how the hair turned out. You know, once the mousse dries down, it'll be a bit fuller. And guys, if you don't want to wear this hair in like the waves, what could also be done is like brushing this out and adding some wand curls, or even like some curls with like a barrel curler. I think that would look really nice, because I noticed with wavy texture hair or curly hair, when you curl it, it holds the curls longer, and it also makes the hair look bigger versus like curling straight here. So this will definitely look nice if it's wand curl, but you know who is not about to do all of that. So this is the hair. Let me like get up and show it to you. And as I was saying, guys, I feel like I could have snipped some off it, because this is 26 inches. It is a true 26, but I feel like it's a little not a, like it's not a little, it's a little, I feel like it could be a little bit more fuller here, and I feel like I could like snip away right here. I don't know, it's totally up to you, but I don't think I'm gonna cut it, but I feel like I could cut it, you know, like I could cut it. But this is the hair. I told you the pros, I told you the cons. It's true to length only. Oh, and it is 150% density, guys, so hence I get why the ends are like this. This wig for this length is not pricey in my opinion compared to wigs that are usually like this long. So I feel like for the price you get a good deal. And yeah, once you bleach the knots and you manipulate the hair, it's beautiful, because y'all, I feel like my hairline looks so good, and also my parting space, and I over bleach my knots. Okay, I feel like maybe I should over bleach my knots more often and start bleaching my knots every time I apply a wig, even though that's not gonna happen. But I mean, I feel like that would be nice. But yeah, guys, this is the hair. Like, let me know your thoughts down below. Do y'all like this? Would you wear this? And if you like it and you're interested in this hair, the links are in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. Shout outs to Unice Hair for sending me this hair to review for y'all. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh my god, I said a whole lot, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really love you guys, and yeah, show me some love, give me a like, give me a comment, guys, and a subscribe if this is your first time. You definitely don't want to miss out. Become a part of the CK gang. Yeah, I think I said it all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.